evening. This is Harshit, your tech host, bringing you all that is new in this emerging tech world. Several US states are suing Meta Platforms and its subsidiary Instagram. The lawsuit alleges that the social media platforms have contributed to youth mental health issues. The complaint asserts that Meta misled the public about the dangers of its platforms. Research indicates a link between social media use and issues like depression and anxiety in young people. The lawsuit is in response to the absence of federal legislation on online protections for children. The legal action seeks various remedies, including substantial civil penalties. It aims to address concerns regarding addictive and harmful social media practices. Next, we have WhatsApp has introduced a new feature for channel admins to view individual message reactions. The feature allows channel admins to see how their contacts are reacting to channel content. It provides insights into the effectiveness of shared content. This feature is part of WhatsApp's efforts to enhance channel management. WhatsApp has also rolled out a redesigned interface with new colors and icons. The update aims to make the user experience more visually appealing. Currently, the feature is available to select beta testers. Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S24 series may integrate AI technologies like ChatGPT and Google Bard. The company is striving to make its flagship phones the smartest AI devices on the market. These AI technologies could enhance user experience and AI capabilities. The specific use cases and integration methods are yet to be disclosed. Samsung aims to compete with other companies that have ventured into AI technologies. The move marks Samsung's renewed focus on AI, notably with Bixby. It may leverage these AI features to offer distinctive experiences to users. Noise has launched the Luna Ring, a smart ring designed for tracking vital stats. The ring offers real-time results through a dedicated app. Unlike traditional wearables, the Luna Ring is specifically designed to fit users perfectly. It comes in 3 color variants: Stardust Silver, Lunar Black, and Midnight Black. The ring features sensors for monitoring psychological signals and is waterproof, inspired by Finnish company Aura Health's early generation ring. It enters the Indian wearable tech market. The Luna Ring aims to provide a modern solution for tracking health metrics. 1000 XM5 True Wireless earbuds are now available in India. These earbuds come with enhanced noise cancellation and voice calling capabilities. Designed for Android users, they offer special audio with head tracking. The earbuds are also compatible with iOS and Android devices, supporting multiple device connections. They come in black and platinum color variants and are priced at around Rs 25,000. The previous year's model offers good value, but the new version brings upgrades. These earbuds offer an IPX4 rating for water resistance and a long-lasting battery. Next, we have Fujifilm has launched the X-T5 mirrorless camera, offering modern features with classic design. The camera delivers a strong dynamic range and accurate autofocus, enhancing subject tracking and recognition. Priced at Rs 1,70,000 with a 16 to 80 mm lens, it features a 40 megapixel sensor. The X-T5 has a weather-scaled body with dual SDXC card slots and fast burst rate. It excels in managing grain levels even at higher ISO settings. The camera is a balance of classic design and contemporary excellence. The price of the X-T5 is Rs 1,70,000, making it an appealing option for photography enthusiasts. At last, HP's Victus 16 AMD gaming laptop is a budget-friendly option for gaming enthusiasts. The laptop features an AMD Ryzen 7 5800H processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 GPU and 16GB RAM. It offers a 16.1-inch FHD display, Windows 11 RGB backlit keyboard and B&O speakers. The entry-level variant is priced at Rs 85,999 with sale and exchange offers available. While not a premium gaming laptop, it provides a good gaming experience without breaking the bank. HP aims to cater to budget-conscious gamers seeking a decent gaming laptop. The laptop's design is sleek and it features a powerful processor. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news.
Hey there, tech buddies. Today we have got our hand on the much anticipated Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, and we are going to unbox it right here, right now. Let's not keep the excitement waiting.
And there you go. There's the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. And voila, here they are, sitting snug in this sleek charging case. Now, at first glance, I think the design screams elegance. Oh man, but this feels premium. Samsung has gone all out with dual drivers in each bud, delivering fantastic bass and clarity. And oh, the 24-bit high sound quality is bound to make your audio experience surreal. Now let's talk juice. These buds offer up to 20 hours of playtime, and with the case, guess what? The case supports wireless charging. That's right, no string attached, literally. The touch controls are intuitive and the sensitivity is spot on, making it a breeze to control your tunes and take calls on the go. The active noise cancellation is competent, immersing you in your own world of music away from the hustle and the bustle.
There you go, folks. There's a lot more to delve into. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for a deep dive review. Got any questions or something you'd like us to cover? Drop it down in the comment section and we'll cover it for you.